Hi everyone, so a few days ago I managed to get my hands on the new Rayban Meta Gen 2s, and where possible I put it through the ring on stress test. So my previous experience with smart glasses started with the Gen 1 Bose frames. These are the Gen 2s, but they became my absolute gold standard in smart glasses. These Gen 2s, they ruined anything that was essentially good about those Gen 1s. So I followed those up with the JBL Soundgig clips, which I used to dictate me actually getting these glasses, because then I didn't need the rubber spacer nubs on them. They're a bit gone. And then I followed those up last Christmas with the JBL Soundgear frames. Yeah, these are fantastic. I intended on putting my prescription in them. Didn't end up happening. So I still use them extensively though, when I was listening to music, while hanging the washing, going for a walk at the park, whatever. But now onto the Meta. So the AI in them, they it leaves a lot to be desired. Let's just leave it at that. So you've probably guessed I'm filming these on the actual Rayban Metas. So there's a 3-minute time limit, that's why I'm talking so quickly. So I suggest if you want to see some of the visual quality, jack up the quality on this video. That'll give you some of the video in a shadowy area. Otherwise, head over to my Instagram and I'll set up a highlight reel. I'm going to test this extensively over the next week. So all I've done was rotate my glasses to give me a landscape. I'm going to throw it into my phone, just rotate the video, upload it straight to YouTube. So yeah, Meta AI, very far to go. It takes around 10 seconds to connect to your phone. Everything else, lightning quick. I did a video call if I took my glasses off while my friend was talking. The speakers immediately switched from the glasses to the phone. I missed nothing, it was that quick. Same with the Meta AI answers. Lightning quick, especially compared to Gemini when you have a bad connection. The QR code reader is also quick. The gestures are intuitive, especially if you've had smart glasses before, like the Boses. They are basically the Gen 1 Bose frames, but with a camera and better speakers in them. They even dig into top of my ear the same. So yeah, and just they have a switch to turn them on instead of just going upside down. If these didn't have time limit, I'd talk slow, have a lot more to go on. But if you have any questions, please do throw them in the comments, get to them as soon as I can. Likewise, like, subscribe, and check out the shots over on Instagram. And don't forget to touch the native grass.